I was at a conference and somebody was speaking and they gave a book out. And I read some of that book that evening. And I went down to breakfast the next day with my then boss. And I went, "This book's rubbish." And he looked at me and he went, "It might be." He says, "But it's better than yours."
Oh, wow.
That was my moment of, yes, very well, but I'd better then either shut up or actually write the thing. So did you have a moment where you actually went, like,
When I decided to write the book, I didn't tell anybody for a little while. And the first person I told was my wife. And I remember telling her vividly, if I were to sell 1,000 copies of this book, I'll be over the moon. That was the goal. And it's caught on. It's caught on. And now we're up to about 40,000 units sold, which is, it's mind-bending to me. But it's less about me and more about there is this hunger for a better way. There's this hunger for a different environment. We don't have to just exist inside of our roles, whatever it is that we do for a living. We can actually thrive.